Yo. Till I collapse, I won't loosen the slack. I breathe slow and let the heat go. A demolition to a weak flow. I swear my tolerance is limited to zero. Cause all you niggas act is like De Niro. Ayy, and it's only right I test y'all. I swear to God, you bitches make my flesh crawl. Addressing niggas step out. Cause you won't never see the best fall. All you niggas stinking up a mess hall. And I'm psyched out. So before I pull my mic out with a problem, I'ma knock his fucking lights out. And I'm cold like I'm iced out. Yet the heat a nigga bringing cause a light drought. So watch out, I got my cock out. Women getting bopped out. And yet I'll never bring no cash to drop out. This ain't make it rain and I say bitch I like the sun now. Now you know the procedure, put your tongue out and watch them run out. I gotta hurt of these women doing whatever they can do to try to work it for pimping. I slid my hand back up a skirt, trying to see if she with it. Now a nigga hand soaked like he washing the dishes. Pull out the drop for the bitches, my money stretching, don't stiff it. Up with this bitch and I'm gripping, her nigga bitching and tripping. Them hoes tripping and flipping, but if I'm flipping these women, put that on everything I love, it's gonna be money up in it. Look. Flamethrower, yo, I swear I bring the heat. So if I drop up in your city, we be blazing up the streets. DJ Pro like automatic, cranking shit up on these beats. Fist a spark up in the earth, young Brown gon' blow up when he speak. And I'm a different type of beast. No need for sleeping on me, I'ma terrorize your sleep. Yo, I'm that type of nigga, keep a trick up his sleeve. If you ain't accustomed to pain, then you better leave. Yo.
Hands up, don't nobody move, I'm too vicious. Step up in this motherfucker, recognize a killer. Platinumized equivalent to Thriller in Manila. Eating beats and left enough room to have dinner. Hungry, starving, every track's a hot meal. Ideal, put it on a song and let the juice spill. Who is you niggas? Unknown bullshitters. Never could compete to elite. What you own, nigga? Get it, grab it, money gotta have it. Stack it, stash it, big face bandit. Snag it, smash it, let young have it. Hit, pass around that ass, I be grabbing. Due to the fact that I break stacks on her back. Paying these hoes bill for just a glimpse of that cat. Apple bottle, but you know she fucking with a Mac. Head in my lap while my hand down the crack. Aflac duck ass, trying to find your weak swag. I'm sorta dumb, ignorant, just thought that I should mention my sign, no description, out of this dimension. Out the cage benches, ain't nothing like you cool kids. Movie, cinema, up your ass minimum. Get it how you live, lame, fuck, thug and digital. Beautiful, I guess we all need attention. Threes and pull up in the air, show them how we live in. Rolling up, light it up, nigga count the munchies quick. Headed to the Waffle House, D-Dan got our place fixed. Tip that nigga OBO, then I'll peel like dry lips. Drop 3Z at this bitch ass, that donkey back and I hit. On some real shit, 3Z bitch on my sack. That wasn't his hoe, I fucked before, forgot that tell that nigga that. But it's cool, we did the do, man do. You know, this whole pussy wetter than a fish tube.